Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use text effect in Capcut PC. So if you add text in Capcut PC, there are so many effects that you can use to make your text looks good. So here, to use that, you can just click on your text, and in here there will be some options. You can adjust the font size, you can change the style into bold, add some underline, or you can also italize your text. You can also change the color. There are so many color options that you can choose. Okay, so you can expand it in here. You can choose which one that you want to use. And if you scroll down again, there's a spacing, character, and also alignment, and position and size. And here there's also blend option. And if you want to add some stroke, you can also adjust it in here, and you can choose the color like this and adjust the thickness. And you can also add some background and also shadow. And in here there's also a bubble. Can add to your text, and here is the effects. You can also use this if you want. Just choose which one is your favorite like this. Just click on the one. Okay, so there are lots of options that you can use in here. The effect, you can just choose which one that you want to use. Okay, so I think that's all. That's the basic on how you can use the text effect in Capcut PC. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!